Today I'll discuss how do you create vector, different type of vector in QGIS platform. For vector generation, you need to open a georeference raster. Here I have used one georeference raster, that is a topo sheet, georeference topo sheet, by which by the topo sheet I can make vector file like point, polygon and line. So you need to first open your modified, your georeferenced raster image in your layer panel. It is already added here, so you need to go for then layer, create layer. I will first go for point layer, new shape file. Now you need to put your name and I'll take it vector file in .shp. I'll go for first point vector which is showing elevation. So I'm just reversing it. Elevation showing point data. Okay, done, save. Now I need to go for that is fine point. I will go for multi-point and I'll go for 4326. That is okay. Datum, new field. That is I'm putting elevation. So I am putting the name elevation in meter. It will appear in your attribute table. So that is the type data, length, whole number, add list. So ID is integer, it is a whole number. Okay, then you go for OK. Your point vector is ready. Now you need to click on point vector that is located in your layer panel, and you just need to click it, toggle editing. After clicking on when it will on, then you can get this add point feature. Okay, then click it and go for respective point. I will go for I'm looking for some spot height or some elevation values. So I will go for, that is one of the benchmark. I will go for that. That is 195.4. Say ID is 01, then I go for 195.4. Why 195? Here I have choose whole number. That way it is not taking the point value. For that you need to go for the decimal one. Then it is 198. Done. It is 291. 03 point number. 291. Done. That is 04270. By this process you can take every point, every spot height and make it in your point data, that is 220 05 220. Your point data is ready. For check, you need to go for the you just first toggle editing off. You make to toggle editing off, then save, then go for the point vector, right click and open attribute table. Your attribute table is here. That is your elevation, that is your ID. Okay, now I will go for line vector. So I'll layer, create layer, then new shapefile, then I need to locate the file location, then I'll go for road, line vector, then save, and I need to change this line. Then I need to check the reference system, that is 4326 W84. It is okay. That is the name road, that is text data, and add field and go for OK. Now same process, I need to toggle it on, and this is the road. So I need to just digitize the road. Then stop digitizing, you need to right click, then 101, that is the ID, and I will go for road name, that is Chas Road. I need to put it here, CHAS. You can get the name of the road in the endpoint or in the starting point. Okay, then my road is ready, so I'll check it, then I'll toggle editing off, I go for save, and I just off this image, that is my road digitize. Through this I can digitize real line, every road by putting their separate ID. So next I will show you how to use a polygon in TopoSheet. Then I need to go for layer, create layer, new shapefile. Then I'll go for same, and here I will put vegetation boundary, vegetation patches, patches by polygon. Polygon vector. So save, then that is the polygon. I need to check it is okay. Now we need to vegetation patches. Vegetation, that is the text. No, that is the decimal number. That is a text data. You need to put the name, add file, then go for OK. Now you need to toggle edit off and go for this, and you need to make vector. This is the boundary, protected forest, Bandi. That is ID 1. I need to put it Bandi PF. Then OK. Now I need to go for another one. Just go for this one, Durgapur Protected Forest. That is ID 2 and the name is Durgapur Protected Forest. Next I need to go for another one, that is next. That is 3. That is so by through this I can next I can make many of this. So I can also take water bodies through this polygon, settlement through this polygon. I can use through separate uses of polygon in digitization from the topo sheet. So after during it you just toggling off save, you go for check, you go for open attribute table, your attributed ID is here. So through this process you can go and make some features, identify some features through different vector file like polygon, point and line. So you can also edit this all point or polygon or line through by these properties. You can put name, you can change the color, you can change the style, everything you can do. It is very useful.